Trimdon explosion on the end. In this Durham county, I'm sorry for to say that hunger and starvation, it's increasing every day. The want of food and clothes, we know not what to do, but with your kind assistance, we'll see the battle through. I need not state the reason that we've been brought so low. The masters have behaved unkind, as everyone will know, because we won't lie down and let them treat us as they like. To punish us, they've stopped the pits, caused the present strike. The pulley wheels have ceased to move, the wets are swift around. The horses and the ponies too, all brought from underground. Our work is taken from us, and they care not if we die, 'cause they can eat the best of food, drink the best when dry. A miner and his wife too, each morning have to roam, to seek for bread to feed the hungry little ones at home. The flour barrel, it's empty now, their true and faithful friend makes the thousands wish today the strike was at an end. Well, let them stand and let them lie, do whatever they choose. To give them 13 and a half, we ever shall refuse. They're always willing to receive, but they're not inclined to give. And very soon they won't allow a working man to live. Miners of Northumberland, we shall forever praise, for being so kind in helping us these tyrannizing days. We thank the other counties too, for they've been doing the same. And everyone who hears this song will know we're not to blame.